Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, brown color, yellow color. Kids now we coloring numbers. Kids first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O and E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W, or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use blue color. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U, or 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 5. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids now 7. The numbers of 7. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids now 9. The numbers of 9. And use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E, and 10. Kids now 11. The numbers of 11. And use yellow color. The numbers of 11. Kids again use yellow color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now 13. The numbers of 13. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and last we draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.